customer states there's a noise coming from the passenger side front. Now obviously they drove in, they looked quite worried. They said as they drive the noise comes, as they brake the noise goes. So I had a quick look, and then I came to this wheel, and then I spun it, and then I heard this. I don't know if you can hear it, it's a scraping noise. So yeah, I got the car on the ramp, had a look, and found out it's just this, a little bottle stuck in there between the caliper and the alloy wheel. I don't know how it got there, but that's what it is. And it is a lady driver, so I'm guessing she didn't look, she just came straight here. But yeah, that's what was stuck. I'm guessing she went gym, threw it on the floor, and somehow it fucking ended up in there. But that was your noise. Noise is now gone.